Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make Eiffel Tower. We all know that Eiffel Tower is one of the 7 wonders in the world and it is situated in Paris. So one of my friend mentioned in the comment box to make a model of Eiffel Tower. So today I am going to make it. So first of all we are needed with three basic shapes, three basic pieces of shapes. The bigger one is of 10 into 10 centimeters square, and the middle part is of 7 into 7 centimeters side square, and the upper part is a triangle of 10 side and 10 height centimeters. So these are the basic parts to make a miniature model of Eiffel Tower. So let's start with the base part. Now we will go with the middle part. Now we will make the uppermost part. I have made 5 equal parts with 2 centimeters each. Now we will fold according to that. To give it a realistic appearance, I have cut these small portions 4 sides. Yes, now you can see that our model is ready. I'm going to decorate it some more. Here you can see that I have decorated in my own way, and you can decorate it in your own way. Now we will make a base stand to it. I am using a cardboard to make it. Yes, it is done.